Happy Meal po.
Chicken.
Ano po yan?
Yung chicken nuggets po.
Chicken nuggets mo. With fries and drinks na po mama.
With fries and drinks po.
Fries lang, walang
Or
drinks.
yung drinks lang po.
Fries lang, fries.
Di bali sir, ang pwede lang po sir is yung drinks or yung with fries and drinks po.
Okay. So fries and drinks. Sige.
Okay po.
Ano pa?
Yung number
Tapos-
ng toy po?
Tapos ano po?
Which
medium-
toy daw?
medium fries po
Anong
po.
toy
Ay,
daw?
yung toy? Anong toy? Anong available na toy po?
Di bali ma'am, meron pong parang bike, meron pong skateboard and parang scooter po.
Okay, so there's the bike, the scooter,
I want skateboard.
the skateboard
You
po.
already have at home skateboard, right?
Alin po dun ma'am? Di bali
Skateboard.
dun na lang po sa first window ma'am.
Sige.
Ah, sige po.
Di bali ma'am, may agad po kayo ng isang
I
regular
only
na
have
price po.
Scooter
Yes, po.
and
Bukod po dun.
bike. I need
Later we will choose from there.
Hindi po. Number 4 po.
For that.
I like 4 because it's red and black. I like 4 because it's red and black.
Okay.
Ah. I hope there's. I want chicken nuggets too.
Sure.
Okay.
Yes. Okay na.
Ma, can you open it,
Six na?
please?
It's okay na. We didn't get any drinks or anything, right?
Huh?
We didn't get any drinks
No,
or
only
anything.
this one.
Okay.
Ma, I didn't know there was a hanger.
Bali, how
Can you
many
open
fries
it?
only doon? 3 fries.
I gotta open it.
You have what?
I have a loosen tooth.
Loosen tooth?
Yeah. And I want to remove it.
Okay.
When I put it backwards, there's a hole.
Karate muna.
Say chess! Chess! Lagot.
Yeah. But why are you saying chest, but it's a...
Like it.
Bakit mekos-mekos?
I do Mekos. I don't know what word is that. Is it blah? Because I can see her being blah.
You have to put
Now we know.
and for you, ngangot. All the time ngangot, hindi ka na clean. Wait.
Let me see. I want to try.
Wait nga.
I just wanted to try.
Really? I don't wait. You wait.
Okay, try. Slowly, ah. Ano ba yun? You can't even push it.
You need strength, Lex.
And
I have.
you became wet.
Slowly.
The food will be wasted. Can I eat it? Can I eat it ba?
Yeah. You don't eat it from the same spoon.
Daddy, I need this. The pineapple. Here, this way.
You ate it and then you put it back in the...
How did this looks fresh? Kukunti, oh. Dapat talagang
Sorry!
What is this called?
Salt.
Add a little bit of salt.
I'm just sure this all around. Oh, great.
Can I try?
More.
More! Get more!
Like that?
You put around it, like that to...
No more. Daddy,